What should be done to add all the reservation with the traveler?
One should use GDS.
Right. What is GDS? Why is GDS used?
All the reservation can be added to the passenger using GDS.
Right. With whom less than 2 years child is added?
With adult.
Right. What information related to the name of the traveler include in the PNR?
Passenger surname and passenger first name and then title code.
Right. How is the PNR reference number of 6 digit?
How is that?
How is the PNR reference number of 6 digit helpful for travel agent?
Passenger name record, to see the passenger name record in the computer system.
Right. Why does the child under the age of 2 do not require to book a seat?
Please repeat.
Why? When does the child under the age of 2 do not require to book a seat?
Because the child is traveling with the adult.
Right. What information related to the passenger's address is included in the PNR?
Passenger office address and home address, including the passenger email and mobile phone contact details.
Right. Once the booking agent has completed the computer reservation, to whom he has to inform instantly?
To the concerned airline.
Right. What thing can be included in the PNR as recognized coded message?
Special request and information.
Right. The name that appear in the PNR, to whom they should be matched with?
The number of seats in the PNR.
Right. With whom one should match the number of seats booked for passenger?
The name that appear in the PNR.
Right. How one can obtain a unique reference number?
After saving the passenger reservation in the computer system.
Right. What does every PNR give after passenger reservation?
A unique reference number.
Right. What is the other term used for booking file?
My passenger name record and the short form is PNR.
Right. What is the other term used for passenger name record?
Booking file.
Right. What is passenger name record?
All the reservation can be added to the passenger name record file. This file is called as passenger name record.
Right. What is GDS?
Global distribution system, and the short form is GDS.
Right. What should be done? All reservation can be added to the passenger using the GDS file. What does this process called as?
Passenger name record, PNR.
Right. How many years old child do not usually require a seat booking?
Under than 2 years old child.
Right. Why the name of infants below 2 years being added to the adult?
To inform that the airline that child and infant passengers are traveling with the adult passenger in the flight.
Repeat.
To inform that the airline